You like that? Yeah. Hey. Aaron. Hey. Just stop chewing on those fingers for a minute. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. You like that? You like the lights. You think that's funny? What you got here? Huh? You haven't learned to reach in front of you yet, have you? Huh? Oh? What you got? You like the camera? Yeah. You like the camera? Don't you? What's that? Oh! You think that's funny, don't you?
Yeah, at least it's all plastic.
Yep. He thinks it's funny. Yeah. You quit smiling. Now you're funny in your chair. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah, what you got here? Huh? Besides more drawers. Yeah. Here, can you reach the bananas? Not yet? Yeah, I guess it's a little closer, doesn't it?
He's reaching the tree,
I
though.
know. Wow. Well, he likes it for his first try in it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's that? What is that? Oh, you're leaning again. Here. There we go. Yeah. So you're not used to sitting and being all scrunched up. No. Yeah, you can get that tree, can't you? Whoop, here we go leaning again. Just like you do when you do tummy times. Here, because you're so fidgety. Yeah. Here, like that? What is that, a frog? With the frog? You're eyeballing the bananas though, aren't you? Like that monkey. Yeah. Oh, it's got a face on it. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. He's doing concentrated turtle face. There you go again. Probably have to get you out soon though, huh?
Yeah.
Don't want to overdo it. Yeah. Does this come off? I think it does, doesn't it?